Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego laptop right here. So I'll take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I've taken apart all of our pieces and we're going to do the keyboard first, since that's the most difficult part of this. So first you're going to need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by 6 plate. So a 12 by 6 plate. So if you got one of those, you can go get them. And then some 1 by 4 flat piece plates. A bunch of 1 by 1 round pieces that are like 1 by 1 studs. And then 3 of these 1 by 2 jumper pieces. 2 of these hinges. And a few of these 1 by 1 flat pieces. Alright, so first we're going to attach our flat pieces to the side of the keyboard. Here and here, like this. Then we're going to place our hinges on the back, like this. So now we have most of our structure here placed. So now what we can do is place down all our tiles. So this is going to be our mouse, so let's not use that. We're going to place down all our tiles so we can place them wherever we want. I don't really mind wherever you place them. And I'm probably going to place it in a different arrangement as I did last time. But you can use your creativity to place all of these pieces wherever you like. I'm just putting them where I'm putting them now. And just adjust the angle so that it's fixed. Yep. And then place where my enter key would go. Put some space for the space bar, which would be our jumper plates. So now we have parts of our keyboard already put together, which is kind of cool. And now we can just put all the studs in. All right, and that's our keyboard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time.